Señor, señor, una enchilada, por favor. Sin salsa, sin salsa. Hey guys, how you doing? You saw me ordering enchilada just now, without the sauce. Well, that's exactly what we're gonna do today. We're gonna make enchilada sauce. This sauce can also be used as a basis for your own sauces. You can also add your own twist to it. It's not only for enchiladas. You wanna know how I did it? I'm Cosito. Let's go! Okay, let's start off with a fun fact. Enchilada is the past particle of the word enchilar, which literally means to add/season with chili. Well, for this sauce, it's all about the spice. For some people, spicy. First, start off by mixing a teaspoon of all your spices. Those are garlic powder, cumin, oregano, salt, and cayenne pepper. The cayenne is optional, but highly recommended. Now whisk the spices together such that you create your own sazon completo. Fun fact, you can also use this mixture as a basic seasoning for your other cookings. Thank me later.
Nice.
Finally, put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan and let it heat up. Here, let it become quite hot because we want the next ingredient to cook instantly and we don't want it to get wet and as a result, absorbing the oil. As you can see, my oil is sizzling away, which means add the next ingredient, which is the plain flour. Here, use the flour type of your preference. Continue to stir the flour around in the pan so it gets cooked. You'll see that it will start turning into a cream-like mixture. Make sure you stir to clear out any lumps. After a few seconds of stirring, we're going to enchilar our mixture. I'm using chili flakes, but if your preference is chili powder, use that. Either way, stir it in and keep on stirring. After a minute or so of stirring, it'll look just like this. Clear of lumps and muy rico enchilada. Then add in about a cup of chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, just heat up half a bouillon block in 1 cup of water. Then continue to stir it and gradually add more of the chicken stock if the mixture seems too thick. We're looking for a light and airy mixture. Now let that cook off for about a minute or so. When you're at the point that your mixture is looking a bit like this, you can proceed to add the spice mix that we created at the start. Mix those spices thoroughly in and you'll realize that the color of the mixture starts to change. After stirring it thoroughly and letting it cook for about 30 seconds or so, continue to add the tomatoes. I'm using canned chopped tomatoes, but you can also use tomato sauce for this if you don't like small chunks of tomatoes in your sauce. Now lastly, you guessed it, stir in the tomatoes and bring it to a simmer. At this point, if you feel like the sauce is too thick, feel free to add more of the chicken stock. Be careful though, the sauce is not meant to be overly watery. Now we're entering the end phase. Put your stove on a low heat and let the sauce simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes while stirring it once in a while. The sauce should come out looking something like this. Let me pour it over so you can see it better. I like to pour it in little containers such that I can use it whenever I need a basis for a quick sauce. That is optional, but highly recommended. Either way, this is the consistency we're looking for in this enchilada sauce. It tastes a bit spicy, but great for combination of anything you want. All by all, yum! You see that? A basis for all your sauces. Use it and let me know in the comments below what you made with it. Like this video if you have enjoyed and don't forget to subscribe. This has been Cosito's Kitchen and showing you the difference between a chef and a cook. Take care guys. Peace.